Welcome everybody. Got the last GoBot of the week. This is Goodnight. He's evidently a aristocratic Cybertronian. He's one of those people who didn't get his hands dirty, allegedly. Let's see, and not the most. He does stand up pretty good. Got a cool looking face on him. Actually does have somewhat of a knight's helmet. And typical Transformer posability, or Transformer GoBot posability, sort of his arms twist, spin, and real rubber tires. I'm amazed I've still got all of them. He must not have got played with much. But let's say, but it's cool. And you got, of course, the, let's see, go that way. Push his arms back in. Oh, got the spare. Bumpers down. And you get back to a sort of antique-y coupe. This is in copyright 84. This is in Japan. It was Mr. 44. But I think that's a cool model. He rolls reasonably well for a 40-year-old. I think it's a. When I was transforming him, I wasn't sure, but it does seem like it is a good. Got his feet on his bumpers. That's not a bad looking old robot there. I've got it qualified every time with considering how much these actually cost when they came out. But I like it. But anyway, that's about all I got for him. But thanks for watching. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe. Plenty more to go where this came from. And I'll see you next time.